Ever wondered how to elevate your dental practice to the next level? How to enhance your patient's experience while also increasing your productivity? The answer lies at the intersection of technology and dentistry, and it's revolutionizing the way we approach oral care. Enter Quantum Health, a pioneer in digital dentistry and intraoral impression scanning. This cutting-edge technology and advanced training methods are not just transforming practices worldwide, but also making dental procedures quicker, more efficient, and most importantly, more comfortable for the patients. But don't just take our word for it. Hear it from the professionals themselves. Dr. Emily Thompson, a seasoned dentist, shares her experience. Quantum Health's technology has been a game changer for my practice. I've seen a significant reduction in the time it takes to complete procedures, and my patients love the comfort and convenience it offers. And she's not alone. Dr. Mark Richardson echoes her sentiments. The training Quantum Health provides is unparalleled. It enabled my team to quickly adapt to the new technology, and the results have been fantastic. Our productivity has increased, and the patients have noticed the difference. So, what exactly does digital dentistry entail? It's about integrating the latest technology into routine dental procedures. Think faster diagnosis, less invasive treatments, and more precise results. It's about saving time and money, getting cases back faster from the lab with fewer remakes. But most importantly, it's about improving the patient experience and fostering trust through transparency and efficiency. With Quantum Health, you're not just getting a product, but a comprehensive package that includes state-of-the-art technology and top-tier training resources. It's about making the most of modern technology to provide the best care for your patients. Intrigued? Want to know more about this revolution in dentistry? Get in touch with Quantum Health. Ask about our special financing and the free scanner program. Reach out via email at info@quantumh.com or call us at 1-800-557-9113. Step into the future of dentistry with Quantum Health. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about having the latest technology, but about using it to create a better dental experience for everyone.